sleep. They gon' post on walk, bitch, I count up, they repeat. Bitch, I count up, they repeat. Too geeked up, still peeping the scene. I'ma stay up some rats by any means. I keep a cut by any. I keep it cut, keep buying lean. I'm really risking about anything. Every day I switch my hustle, switch my wheels like GTA. Nigga, I switch these hoes, I switch these clothes like every day. My nigga caught him a soul with a brand new pole, had to throw it away. Maybe I'm just getting older, maybe these niggas just keep getting lanes. Happy these niggas be fat, that's why I get money and stay out the way. And me ain't no way too geeky, the Maybach truck got too much space. My little brother, all y'all niggas in you get flamed up. Boy, you a rat, hey, just look at his stats, he need to hang it up. How's he this? He used to hang with us. I'm like, what the fuck? Nigga on IG like a little that bitch acting like we switched up. Ever since son these niggas dropped, I swear that nigga mention us. Act like he ain't on paper, and I swear if it weren't for that case, the bitch that nigga your ass would've been murdered. Really this bitch my inner circle. My twin Rich, he still serving. We too lit, we still working. I see make me feel better. Michael Drake on me ain't worried.